In this installment, we'll be talking about unleashing the power of SAP HANA with predictive analytics. When we talk about SAP HANA, we need to keep in mind that it is not just an in-memory database, but it also has a predictive engine, which contains a number of predictive libraries, including SAP's own Predictive Analysis Library, PAL, Automated Predictive Library, APL, and also has integration with the industry favourite R language. Although SAP HANA can act as a data source for both automated and expert analytics, today I'm going to demonstrate to you how expert analytics not only uses the processing power of HANA, but also how it can return insights to decision makers or business users. I can download the data from a HANA table or view to my desktop if I want to do some analysis when I'm offline later, or I can connect directly to SAP HANA and make use of the embedded predictive libraries we mentioned earlier. Firstly, I need to choose a data set. I can then select which dimensions and measures I wish to use in my analysis. In the Predict room, I can see the algorithms available to me. And as you can see, I have a number from the PAL libraries, from the R libraries, and also from the APL libraries. For today's example, I'm going to use a PAL algorithm for double exponential smoothing to do a forecast. Once I select the algorithm, I need to configure some settings. I wish to do forecasting 12 periods of quantity by month, and my data set starts from the year 2014. Once I've configured my data set, I can run the algorithm. In the results view, I can now see the 12 financial periods for 2015 which have now been forecasted. However, if I want to return these results back to SAP HANA, I have two options. In the first option, I can select the HANA writer. Again, I must configure some settings. I must select the schema I want to write to, and also give a name. Once configured, I can then again execute the results. I now have a new table in my HANA database which contains the results of my forecast. However, if I want to score new records as they enter the system, I have another option, and that is to export the model as a stored procedure. By selecting on the algorithm, I select Export as Stored Procedure. Again, I select a schema name, I give the model a name, and it also generates for me a view. My analysis has now been exported, and I have a new stored procedure in my HANA box and a corresponding HANA view.